In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam error. Something went wrong while attempting to sign you in. This message usually points to a temporary hiccup rather than a serious problem. It can be triggered by a network issue, a browser or app cache conflict, or a short-term security block after too many login attempts. We'll walk through a clear set of fixes, starting with the quickest, so you can get back into your account smoothly. First, try switching networks. If you are on Wi-Fi or Ethernet, disconnect and tether your computer to a mobile hotspot. If you are already on a hotspot, hop back to your home or office connection. This change often bypasses an IP-based block that can appear if a network was flagged for repeated attempts. Just make sure you have a stable signal and are mindful of mobile data usage. After switching, open Steam or your browser and try signing in again. If you are logging in through a web browser, use a different one than you normally do, or open a private or incognito window. A fresh browser profile avoids old cookies, extensions, or cached pages that can interfere with the login flow. For example, if you typically use Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Or launch a private window and navigate directly to Steam before signing in. Next, clear your browser or app cache. In your browser, delete cookies and cached images files for recent timeframes. Then fully close and reopen the browser. If you are using the Steam client, open Settings, go to Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and prompt you to sign in again. Clearing this data removes stale tokens and corrupted entries that commonly trip up authentication. If you entered the wrong password multiple times, pause and wait. Steam may place a temporary security block that typically lifts within 30 minutes to 24 hours. Avoid repeated attempts during this period, as they can extend the lockout. Set a reminder. Then return later for a clean try. Finally, restart your PC and your router. A full reboot clears temporary system and network states. Power down your computer, then unplug your router for about 20 to 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Wait for the connection to fully restore, start your PC, and attempt the sign in again. Work through these actions patiently and test after each one. In most cases, one of them resolves the error and restores normal access. Take your time. Keep your login details handy, and avoid rapid repeats. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.